My name is Ankit. I study class of are is surrounded by layer of air called the atmosphere. The conditions of the air that surround the earth over the short period of time is called the weather. The average weather condition of a place over a long period of time is called climate. The weather changes from day to day and or to or day change in weather is cloud by the sun, wind, cloud and